Welcome to the graffiti jungle. I mean that quite literally. Let me get my gloves on and my scrubs on. Dr. Carter to the rescue. Excuse me if I'm late, but like a thief, it takes time to be discreet. So just wait. All right, new additions to the graffiti jungle. I'm sweating like shit right now. I'm gonna roll the windows down, but we hotboxing this bitch. All right, I got my gloves. Got my gloves on. I got my boxing gloves. Mike Tyson hugged Jake Paul after losing. Those going back there. Now, a couple things we just added today. This is the collar and the leash for the passenger Princess Bailey. And I also found my GoPro. It was never where I thought it was going to be. It was not where I thought it was going to be. And I got some bookmarks. And I got some magnetic bookmarks. So we can get back to reading. So that's cool. I'll be charging the GoPro up and possibly trying to get videos from that later. Now, I'm just, for sentimental value, the bag, bro. Everything used to be in here. And then the bag got replaced with this jacket that we cut the sleeves off and turned into a vest so we can invest in Cigar Talk podcast on the minimalist travel vlog and whatnot. So there's that. And then, the last few days we've been talking about lighting in the car, especially at night. So I have 2 lamps here. I'm gonna show the one off. Man, it done got mixed up already, bro. Too many cords. Okay, so this lamp right here, you see it's bendy, and it can hold your phone. Power on button right there, and it's through USB. So that's one lamp. It's an all white lamp. Then the other one, though, yeah, this one. I'm not sure if it's on, but it's nighttime. I mean, it's daytime, so yeah. And this one also charges through USB, just like the iPhone. So we got 2 lamps now. And then the other special addition to the graffiti jungle. If you don't know where I'm going with this, here's another hint. This is a portable amp. Yeah, you just plug that on in there. You plug that right on in there. So we got the portable amp, which means Chief Jahara, tangential thoughts, pensieri tangentiali. This was my gift to myself for my 1-year anniversary for my first book, Tangential Thoughts. And you know me. Why have one when I can have 2? Ugh. And this wasn't even this is because I missed my first guitar so much. Somebody stole my first guitar. Somebody has it. That shit was like a Thunderbolt. It was a black Thunderbolt. That shit was fire as fuck. So then I got this one because it was cheap and I drew on it. Because I didn't really care about it. I didn't want to touch it. So I just started drawing on it. But then I got that shit right there. It's almost like a wooden Thunderbolt. It get me lit. I'm hyped. So those are the 2 additions. And then in the back we got a couple We got some shirts and jackets and pants, just so wherever I go, I can just change clothes, depending on what I want to wear. So those are the new additions to the car. Now today, the goal is to go to Zara. I'm off today. I am off today. I got one cigar. I only want to light it. Well, I don't even want to light it. I want a cigar vixen to light it for me. We want cigar vixen number 7. Let's go to the mall, see what happens.